Good morning, everyone. My name is Caesar, and my presentation is on photochemistry. Photochemistry is the branch of chemistry concerned with the chemical and effects of visual light and UV light. There are two laws that are involved in photochemistry. The first law says that light must be absorbed by chemical substances in order for photochemical reactions to take place. The second says that for each photon of light absorbed by certain chemical systems, no more than one molecule is activated. What is photochemistry used for? Photochemistry can be found in items such as tiny beds and plants. In plants, it's known as photosynthesis, which converts light energy into chemical energy, creating sugars they need to survive. It can be also found in photographs, in which pictures are produced by light-induced changes in the chemicals on the film. Tanning is another way that photochemistry is used, because it's light-induced and causes chemical change in your body. So next time you go to the beach, make sure you use sunscreen in order to prevent chemical changes. Education and salary. The education that is needed to become a photochemist is a bachelor's degree in etching. The salary, what photochemists typically earn, is $74,534 a year as a material process engineer. Recent discoveries. There has been two main discoveries that I'm going to focus on, which is one on creatures and the other on lasers. So the first one was in 2005 when scientists found tiny sac-like creatures, later called sea squirts, that contained two types of chlorophyll. The two pigments were soaking up most of the sunlight that was shined onto them. The colors that they absorbed were violets, indigos, blues, green, yellow, and oranges, except for a dark red, which scientists didn't understand why. That discovery was an important and amazing because it helped scientists understand what causes the pigments to soak up certain sunlight, and it further increased their knowledge. Another discovery that was later used was the laser. A laser was focused on an uranium fluoride gas, which was being used to create nuclear energy. So the laser was being used, and it shook loose a fluoride atom, and the loss of that atom made it a recoverable powder, which scientists found it more helpful. And an experiment that can be made. Hopefully we can do it one day, maybe. The experiment uses 1 gram of potassium ferrocide, 1 gram of oxalic acid, and 1 gram of ferric chloride, a plastic tray, plastic cup, and a straightener. You will also need a filter paper and picture frame. These materials were used to change the color of the filter paper, which made it like you kind of made a photocopy of something. And if you want to know and read more about it, there's a link down below that you can follow and watch the video. So why I chose this topic? I chose this topic because I found the absorption of light interesting, since later on in the future scientists may create some sort of technology that uses light and makes it invisible, which would be very cool to be invisible, I guess. So hopefully that becomes a reality someday. And the next is my bibliography. That's it. Thank you.